The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is engineered for remarkable efficiency with its impressive maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second, making it ideal for both professionals and beginners. Its large printing size of 11.81 by 11.81 by 11.81 inches allows for the simultaneous printing of multiple models, enhancing productivity significantly. Equipped with smart AI features, the K1 Max includes a LiDAR system to monitor the first layer and an AI camera for real-time error detection and time-lapse creation. The printer's dual cooling system and ceramic heater ensure rapid filament melting and cooling, preventing stringing and warping in newly printed models. With a robust after-sale service, Creality offers 24/7 customer support and technical assistance, backed by a team of over 20 engineers. The K1 Max stands out with its advanced technology and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone looking to dive into high-speed 3D printing.